Hey friends, gonna bring you along on the day today for a vlog, show you what I eat, all that good stuff. I'm actually sitting outside my doctor's office. I have an appointment to go get blood drawn. I shared in a video recently about my recent diagnosis, overactive thyroid, trying to get that taken care of. And my doctor wants me to get my blood work done and blood pressure checked once a week. So we're getting that done. So this will be interesting to see if the medication that I'm on at the dosages that I'm on is helping to bring my thyroid levels down. I did have to fast to get the blood work done. And so I am mighty hungry. It's only 10 o'clock and I'm normally a eat in the morning kind of person. Like I've never, forgotten to eat breakfast. Breakfast is very important to me. So I'm normally that way, but then with what's going on with my thyroid, it's even harder to fast. So I am pretty hungry right now. I have my bag stashed with food, got some keto brick, got some chopsticks, and gonna eat as soon as I get my blood drawn. So we were supposed to actually go on a little beach trip to visit some friends, leaving this afternoon. And we'd all gotten packed for it. That's why I have so many snacks in my bag. We had gotten all packed for it and everything. And then it turned out we had to postpone it. So, of course the kids were very disappointed because we were going to go to the beach and visit friends. So we're still going to try to do some fun stuff today. Maybe not. We're definitely planning to go to, a water park tomorrow, and that'll be kind of a fun adventure for everybody in place of getting to go to the beach. So there may be some activities that we do today. Not sure. But first things first, got to get my blood work done. And then we will go from there. Also, I wanted to mention that I'm still working with Jonathan with the Keto Road on my nutrition and exercise, and he's kind of helping me through the stuff that I'm going through. And in our last conversation, I had forgotten to ask about dairy in the conversation, but I messaged him after and was like, hey, should I still stay off of dairy? Because I'd been off of it for about 3 weeks. It felt like 3 months. And I was like, hey, should I stay off of dairy for, this week also? And he said that I could go ahead and add 1 serving per day. And so I'm going to be doing that. So my day today won't be completely dairy free, but still low dairy. All right, I think that's it. I'm going to head into my appointment and I'll just bring you along throughout the day. Just got done. My blood pressure was still higher than they want it to be. And I should get the results of the lab tests in a day or two. Yep, so now to get something to eat. I'm going to have a chopstick. I like the jalapeno ones. I think those are my favorite of the flavors. And then this is chocolate malt keto brick, and I'm just going to munch on this. This was a whole brick to start out, so when I get home, I'll be able to weigh it and see how much is left and to know how much I ate, but I'm going to munch on that. And I think on the way home, I'm going to try to stop at a produce market because I've been wanting a really good salad. So I'm going to try to get some salad fixings. So I went to a grocery outlet yesterday and found some incredible deals. And I'm passing another grocery outlet, so I couldn't resist stopping and seeing if there's some of the same deals so I can stock up more, or some different deals. So we'll see what we find. So far, I'm not seeing anything. Oh, ooh. So I stocked up on some salad dressing. $1.99. Oh, this is for Greek. I got Greek yesterday. But the C0 is $2.99. This one is not as good of a price, but I got some of it yesterday too. Oh, Korean barbecue sauce. Maybe I'll try this. 0 sugar, 2 carbs. I might try this too. I've never tried this one. Ranch dip, dairy free. We'll see how it goes. They have a bunch of pork rinds, pig Himalayan, hot and spicy, and sea salt and pepper, and Cracklins maple bacon. Don't need any pork rinds right now, but they do have a lot. Oh, they have these also. These are super good. I got these at Costco a while back. And they also have the classic. Definitely not as many deals as the other one. But I found a couple things. I'll have to show you what I got at the other grocery outlet. I was so excited. Oh my gosh, so many good things. This is a really good deal. Although they just had, I don't know if it was Chosen Foods or Primal Kitchen mayo on sale at Costco. And I think it was cheaper than that. And I already got one, so I don't need that. Ketchup sweetened with honey. 2 carbs per serving. Okay, I just was at Safeway, which is where I got like the produce and stuff, and I saw these and I actually got one. They're made with coconut sugar, and since I'm incorporating a few more carbs these days, I could have, you know, some with coconut sugar. They were $5.79 on sale at Safeway, and I got a bag, and they're $4.99 here. Shoot, I missed that one. So definitely not as many deals here as at the other one, but what I ended up with was the ranch dip. Try that. Plant-based Caesar dressing, so dairy-free. And then the kids wanted some frozen fruit for smoothies, so I grabbed 3 different ones, like a mix, strawberries, and mangoes. I'm home now, and I'm in desperate need of some electrolytes, so I'm going to mix them up, but I needed to restock my electrolyte bin here, and so I figured I'd do that while we chat about Element, who is the sponsor of today's video. I use Element every single day. I love it. I love the taste. I love that it doesn't have any weird flavors. It doesn't have sugar. It's very low in carbs. They use a science-backed ratio of 1,000 milligrams of sodium, 200 milligrams of potassium, 60 milligrams of magnesium. That works great for me. I usually do about 2 sticks per day, and I just drink it throughout the day, which I love. Because it tastes so good, I don't have to remember to take it. I look forward to it and definitely keep up with my electrolytes that way. When you're on a keto or carnivore diet, it's really important to keep up with your electrolytes. I mean, on any diet, you should keep up with your electrolytes, but on keto and carnivore, you can lose electrolytes fast. So it's just something to keep in mind, and Element is a great way and a delicious way to keep your electrolytes in check. You can get a free sample pack from Element just by using my link. The sample pack has 8 of their regular flavors. It's a great way to try out all the different flavors to see which ones you like, or pass on Element to a friend. My link is drinkelement.com/indigo. That's drinklmnt.com/indigo. Click that link, place an order for anything on the website, and you will automatically get the free sample pack added. All right, I just need grapefruit, and I think I'm stocked up. So I have all my fruity flavors here in the front, and then all of my different chocolate flavors here in the back. And then sometimes, like I showed the other week, I'll do like half a packet of one mixed with another. And so when I have half packets, I just keep them here with my cute little clip, just like that. I think I will do grapefruit today. Cheers. So I have all my veggies for an epic salad later, but I'm really hungry right now and I don't want to chop everything up before I eat. So I'm going to eat this leftover New York steak. How much is it? 4.5 ounces. And then I'm going to have some avocado, and I thought some red bell peppers on the side. These roasted ones, they looked pretty good. And the ingredients were pretty simple. Water, salt, peppers, citric acid. So I'm going to have some of that and see how long that holds me. These days, with what my thyroid is doing, I have to eat at least 4 times a day because things just don't hold me for very long. So even if I eat like a giant meal, I'm hungry 2 hours later. So anyways, I'm gonna get all this and see how long it lasts me. There is the second half to my lunch. I did measure the keto brick, and I had 45 grams, which is about 300 calories. And then I had that one chomp stick. Now I'm having this, and it is lunchtime, so basically lunch. So this was my favorite deal that I got at Grocery Outlet yesterday. These are the Epic Venison Strips, salt and pepper. And normally, you know, at New Seasons or wherever, they're like $1.99 a piece. Well, this was a 20-piece box for $9.99, so it made them 50 cents a piece. So really good deal for a really clean meat snack. I got a ton of them to stock up because it's not like they go bad very fast. Then they also had these for $1.99 a piece, and my husband really likes these. He got a jar when he was out, you know, and of course it was probably like $5, $6, something like that. But they had these for $1.99, and he really likes them and needs the smaller bottles of peanut butter to like take with him to work in his lunchbox. So I got a bunch of those. That was such a good deal. Then I was wanting some salad dressings. I kept telling myself I was going to make my own, and I just haven't gotten to it yet. And so I was like, let me check out the decent salad dressings that they had. And so they had the Primal Kitchen Greek for $1.99, which is a great deal. You can hardly make a decent oil dressing for that cheap, and just that the work was done for me, I stocked up on those. And then this one also looked good. It's the Newman's Own avocado, and it's Italian. The ingredients were all really good, so I got that one. Then I got a few of these. These ones were a little more expensive. I think it was $3.99 a piece, but it looked good. And like I said, I'm doing a little bit more carbs these days, especially on my workout days. And so having the little bit of carbs from the honey is fine for me. So I got those, but definitely not going to be really keto friendly. Then these were the other amazing deal. So these are the old package of Zevia. They just rebranded recently and have a nice new package, but these are the old ones. So that's why I assume they were there at Grocery Outlet. But they had a whole bunch of different flavors, and it's a 10-pack for $4.99. And so that makes each one about 50 cents. And I think that's even cheaper than at Costco, because I've been getting the Costco box, which is a good deal. But I think I calculated that out to be 56 cents a piece. So this was even cheaper than Costco. And they had like Dr. Zevia, which is my favorite. So I was able to get some of that. Oh, and then they have the caffeine-free cola. Both of those are not in the Costco box. So anyways, I was really excited about that. Totally stocked up on Zevia now. Going out and about again, Renee has ballet, so I'm going to take her there. And like usual these days, oh, the sun is coming out. That's so nice. Like usual these days, I bring snacks with me everywhere I go because hunger comes on strong and fast, and I need something when it hits. So I'm going to pack up my bag with more snacks and head out again. It must have been the couple of days for deals for me because I went to Fred Meyer, another store, and there were a lot of deals. There's just one of these. These are really good, but it was reduced, so I grabbed that. Okay, this bacon, $6.11, and then I didn't realize it, but there was another $2 off each of them I think if you bought more than 3. So I got a whole bunch of those, and they were only $4.11 for 3 pounds. Crazy cheap. And then butter was on sale for $2.19. I went to another place and they only had unsalted, and that was a bummer, but this one had salted, so I picked up a whole bunch of those and then just got a few other random reduced things. We are stocked up now, seriously.
So we're going to the pool on Saturday. And then we're
Tomorrow?
going to hike.
Yeah, on Sunday.
Yeah, tomorrow. And then going to hike tomorrow.
So here is our salad bar so far. I have 1 batch of chicken thighs in the air fryer, and then I need to cook the rest of those. So bacon. Oh, these are the 3 dressings that I have to choose from. Peppers, cucumbers, green onion, hard-boiled eggs, red onion, black olives, some salad mixes, and tomatoes and carrots, and then chicken. And that's it. There is my ginormous salad. I am going to enjoy this thoroughly. Last thing I'm going to have for the evening is some hot cocoa. So I needed some more protein to hit my macros, and so I have, well, I did a partial scoop of chocolate prime protein and a partial scoop of salted caramel prime protein. So it's a caramel hot chocolate, and then just a touch of coconut milk because I just had a little bit of fat left on my macros, and then a half a packet of the caramel chocolate element. So this is really tasty salted caramel hot chocolate.